You guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on Miller XD. Today, this is Miller XD's Kitchen Part 2. So, to make another cocktail, obviously not an alcoholic, but, so, you need Coke, and you need, a really mix of, you didn't see the first video, guys, mango lemonade and cranberry juice. So after that, here's a new part. Instead of grapes, we need some grape extracts, grape Gatorade, and then let's see what else we could use. Oh yeah, just a hint of this, guys. Don't worry. This is ginger. It's not alcohol. So we need a dash of that. We need a dash of that. We need sorry guys, I didn't really come prepared. We need a piece of chocolate. So we need chocolate, mango lemonade, cranberry juice, Coca-Cola. We need some grape extract, and then we need some yogurt cranberries, guys. So the way you want to make this drink, guys, let me just move this so you can see me better. So you get a cup. Let me eat this jacked up one. Looks like a brain. Alright guys, so you get a cup. Alright, oh shoot. Alright. And then you get, first you get a bit of grape extract. Pour it in until, pour it into the line. Okay guys, did you see that? There's a line and you pour it in there. Then you get some Coke and you put your finger over it if it's already open. And just go like this, guys. Don't go crazy, you just kind of make it fizz. Make it fizz, guys, for a little bit, less than the grape extract. So now it should be this brownish color, guys. Alright, now there's the brownish color. You get the chocolate. You throw it in there, and that will melt the chocolate, guys, just in case y'all like chocolate. Then you get the mango and the cranberry, and you pour a lot in. So let me get the camera so you guys can see. That's pretty good, guys. Just a decent amount. So now the color's looking kind of purplish. So we added 4 ingredients. The next thing you guys want to do is get some grapes. 3 or 4 grapes, the perfect amount. You toss them in there. And then last but not least, you add some yogurt cranberries, but I won't be doing that right now. Actually, I forgot another ingredient, guys. Ginger beer. This is ginger beer, just so you know. A tiny bit, alright? Like I said, it's not an alcoholic. Alright, get all that in there. And then, voila. You got your drink. The grapes and chocolate. Let me try it. Good. Alright guys, that's it for Miller XD's Kitchen today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out.